Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 5G and I'm gonna show you how to record the hyperlapse video at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. Let's change it by using this settings bar and just simply going to the right to more. Here we get access to more modes of this camera and one of them is the hyperlapse, so we have to tap on it. Here we are. Now we can start recording the hyperlapse video by using this button from the right, the shutter. We can also change the speed of our hyperlapse by going to the right corner button, and as you can see we get access here to speed auto, so the device should give us the best possible settings to our video now, or we can pick between spectrum from 5 to 60, and also we have two speeds to night recording 15 and 45, so this is really pro feature here. And the really cool thing from the device also here is that it shows us which speed is good for which conditions we have when we want to record the hyperlapse. So for example 60 is good for recording sunrises and sunsets, maybe let me show you 15, good for recording clouds moving across the sky, and also let's move to 5, good for recording people running around and being active. Now let's stay on auto because as you can see I don't really have well conditions to record this kind of video, but I want to show you an example of it, so let me start recording to show you how it works. And this is my object. I'm going to move it slowly because the hyperlapse should speed up the original video. Now let's stop by tapping again on the shutter button. To see the video, let's move to the next one, so we get access to the gallery. And this is how the hyperlapse looks like at this device, so it's really fast. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.